All right, Michelle and I are going down the creek here for the first time in a long time. Her first time. And she's just now getting in the water, and I'm fixing to get in the water. Okay, I'm going to attempt to get into the water. Here goes. Me nuts! Oh Lord! Oh my God, that's cold! Alright, now you gotta fight to get upstream. And be careful because this current will turn you over. Alright, we're fighting the current upstream, and then we'll ride down. This is the creek that's in my backyard. I love it. It's called Farmer's Creek. How pretty that mountain laurel is above me, and how pretty Michelle is kayaking. Got some rapids upstream. We're fixing to go downstream. Alright, we are getting close to the, move this boat around, getting close to the stage in my house. Paddling under the bridge right now. What's up, pups? What's up, dummies? She's in the bush. We're having fun here in my backyard on Farmer's Creek. Michelle and I are paddling. Oh, shit. Alright, I gotta pay attention. There's white water up ahead. If you want to tackle it, I'll go with you, but it's hard to paddle back over white water. So I'm gonna recommend we paddle back, and if you want to ride it again, you just take long, short strokes. This was the toughest rapid. Remember, we're paddling upstream, and Michelle's only done big kayaking 2 days in her life. And she's not wearing a skirt, a helmet, knee pads, toe pads, or pinky pads. You gotta dig, girl. You gotta dig. It's a tough rapid because it wants to suck you in. You gotta not waste momentum. Now, you almost got it. Now dig in real hard now. Real hard. Real hard. 4 or 5 times. I think you're about to break it. Yes, you broke it. Congratulations. You just succeeded. The most intense rapid on our ride today. Any words?
Oh, no.
I hear banjo music. I'm on a creek. That's a good sign, I guess. Rocky top. Michelle's an excellent paddler. This is her second day paddling. I'm very proud of her. We're going to take a break here at the right under the greenhouse. Having a good time?
Having an awesome time.
Right in the backyard.
Better than this.
Right in the backyard. I could have a beer.
I could have a good time.
We'll go for a ride here in a minute. Hang on to me. Get your strength up. You want me to try it first? We'll just go to that side. I don't know. We just have to get in here and fight it. Have a log. I made it. Just spinning. Grab the logs, grab the sticks. Put your paddle in to the bottom. All right, good job, partner. All right, Michelle's gonna do a little speed paddling. We're gonna try to keep up behind her. Chief's in the water. He's in the water. He's gonna follow us down because he ain't getting out. The walls on this creek are intense. Let him paddle. Let him paddle. He wants to go whitewater rafting. Let him go. You ain't getting him up that hill. You'll have to throw him.
Dude. Sit down. Sit down. There you go. That's what you get. That's what you get.
But get a little speed up. Just remember, use the J stroke to control your angle. Dig in, paddle. There you go. You're getting it. Now paddle hard on the left. And don't be afraid just to drop your paddle to control steering. You know, if you need to turn left, drop your left paddle. Just drop it and let it like that. Like this. Like this. Just drop it.
Yeah, she fell in.
I kind of figured. You got her.
I couldn't get him back up the bank, so he had to take a ride in. There's your mommy.
Hear that banjo music? See them pups up on the hill looking at us like we're crazy. Like, what's that dog doing swimming? All right, pick up some speed. Whoa. Wait for Michelle. There's the stage. There's the sound of my second waterfall on my property. Okay, the real rapids are coming up, so if you want to get some speed, now's the time. And like I say, we'll pull out up here, walk our kayaks back. All right, ride that one hard, right down the middle of the crest. Right down the middle. There you go, you're getting it. Alright, this little lagoon's as far as I'm going. That embankment over to the left, where the mud comes down, that's where I usually get out. Yeah, just somewhere in here. I'll show you a little trick on how to get out of a kayak and not get wet. One is to put your paddle up here on the shore and sort of anchor it in the soil a little bit.
First. Look, it's down. I can reach. Good job, Pete.
Put your paddle like this and then hold it to your kayak. Sort of stick it in the mud. Yeah. Put your boat up on the mud a little bit. I'm stuck.